A senior project official has said that all 16 primary systems of AMCA 5th generation aircraft have completed the systems level critical design review, that includes hydraulics, cockpit avionics, integrated vehicle health management, electricals, weapons systems, and the internal weapons bay, and this will allow to complete the platform level critical design review of the AMCA in the next 1 to 2 months, after which the Cabinet Committee on Security will approve the funds for the AMCA to proceed into fabrication of 5 prototypes. The CEO of the Russia's Rosbaron Export has said that Russia and India are eyeing an opportunity to develop the Su-75 fifth-generation fighter jet at the facilities of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. He also said that both countries have demonstrated that they can collaborate in challenging and high-tech projects, such as creation of production facility for the Su-34th generation fighter jets in the past, and is ready to continue cooperation in the joint production of 5th generation fighters. Botswana Defence Force Air Wing has started talks with Hindustan Aeronautics to procure an unspecified numbers of Tejas MK1A fighter jets, to replace its aging fleet of 10 F-5A and 5 F-5D trainers. Botswana Defence Force wanted to procure 12 second-hand Sub Gripen in 2017 at $1.7 billion, but had to drop plans due to high price of the Gripen. South Korea offered to sell its FA-50 in 2018, but Botswana military leadership rejected the proposal, saying that operational capabilities of FA-50 is not comparable to Gripen. The Deputy Chief of Indian Air Force has said that the plans to procure 114 fighter jets under MRFA program will see a renewed push by the Indian Air Force to get acceptance of necessity approved by the Defence Acquisition Council for the tender in next 3 months, and the request for proposal for the procurement will be issued by end of this year. Tata Advanced Systems Limited has started delivery of 100 units of its ALS-50 loitering system to the Indian Air Force, and the deliveries will be completed by the end of this year. The ALS-50 is a vertical takeoff and landing UAV that has a cruise speed of 100 km per hour, an endurance of more than 1 hour, and a strike range of more than 50 kilometers. The Vice Chief of Indian Navy has said that the Navy is pursuing the acquisition of Predator-armed drones with the prerequisite that it should have a minimum of 60% indigenous content. The Indian Navy is also working with Indian firms and DRDO on how these drones can be indigenized and what facilities can be built in India. A project member with Aeronautical Development Establishment has said that ARM variant of DRDO's Rustam-1, which is also known as SRUAV-W, has started weapon trials using 4 types of air-to-surface missiles. That includes Helena anti-tank missile, man-portable anti-tank guided missile, and anti-personnel weapon, while details about the 4th weapon has not been disclosed. UAE-based weapons manufacturer Al-Tariq has signed a memorandum of understanding with Bharat Dynamics Limited to jointly develop and produce Indian variants of Al-Tariq's long-range precision-guided munitions at Bharat Dynamics. Al-Tariq has also signed a memorandum of understanding with Hindustan Aeronautics to explore the feasibility of integrating their line of long-range precision-guided munitions on HAL-developed aircraft.